I'm a kids emergency doctor. Here's a trend we're seeing at children's hospitals that I want you to look out for. We've seen higher rates of walking pneumonia in kids, more than we've seen in years. We think a lot of the infections are from a bacteria called mycoplasma. It causes symptoms like cough and fever. But here are the clues you or your child might have more than your typical respiratory viruses. Most viruses peak at the first 2 or 3 days, but a cough that's worsening over a week instead of getting better, or a fever that's lasting more than a few days, especially if that temperature keeps rising, you might need to get checked out.